Using operator precedence. Java defines a set of rules for using operators. These rules specify the order in which the expression will be evaluated. When there are multiple operators in an expression, for example, if there are two operators in an expression such as plus and multiplication, then the multiplicative arithmetic operator will be evaluated first, as it has higher precedence than the additive arithmetic operator. However, precedence rules can be overridden by using the parenthesis. मतलब ये है जैसे हमारे पास ये नोटपैड खोला, हमारे पास नंबर है 5, हमने इसे प्लस किया, +2 देन मल्टीप्लाई 3। तो हम इसे दो तरीके से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। एक तरीका है कि हम पहले इन दोनों को करें, फिर जो रिज़ल्ट आएगा फिर उन दोनों को करें, इससे +5 कर देंगे। एक है कि पहले प्लस करें, फिर जो रिज़ल्ट आएगा उसमें मल्टीप्लाई 3 कर देंगे। इसे कहते हैं ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रेसिडेंस। आगे देखते हैं। आइडेंटिफाइंग द ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रेसिडेंस। कंसिडर द एक्सप्रेशन 45 + 90 डिवाइड बाय 5। 45 + 90 divided by 5 into 6. To compute the result of the expression, each operator in an expression needs to be evaluated in a predetermined order called operator precedence. Operators with a higher precedence are applied before operators with a lower precedence. The following table lists the operator precedence with their categories sorted from the highest precedence to the lower. ये टेबल है। इंक्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट एक्सप्रेशन, यूनरी पोस्टफिक्स डिक्रीमेंट एंड पोस्टफिक्स डिक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर राइट टू लेफ्ट, यूनरी प्रीफिक्स इंक्रीमेंट प्रीफिक्स डिक्रीमेंट प्लस माइनस लॉजिकल नॉट एंड बिटवाइज इन्वर्जन राइट टू लेफ्ट, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स राइट टू लेफ्ट टू राइट, एडिटिव अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स लेफ्ट टू राइट, शिफ्ट ऑपरेटर्स लेफ्ट टू राइट, कंपैरिजन ऑपरेटर्स एंड द इंस्टेंस ऑफ ऑपरेटर्स लेफ्ट टू राइट, कंपैरिजन इक्वालिटी ऑपरेटर्स लेफ्ट टू राइट, bitwise AND operator left to right, bitwise OR operator left to right, bitwise OR operator left to right, logical AND operator left to right, logical OR operator left to right, assignment operators and arithmetic assignment operators right to left. Operators on the same line have equal precedence. If an expression has two or more operators of equal precedence, operators are evaluated on the basis of their associativity. Implementing precedence using parentheses. Parentheses are often used to obtain the desired results as they can override the order of precedence. For example, consider the following code snippet: 3 into 5 plus 2. In the preceding code snippet, the result of the expression will be 17 because first 3 will be multiplied by 5 and then 2 will be added to the result. In the preceding code snippet, the result of the expression will be 17 because first 3 will be multiplied by 5 and then 2 will be added to the result. And then 2 will be added to the result. In this case, precedence of the multiplication operator is higher than the plus operator. However, you can apply the parenthesis on the preceding code as shown in the following code snippet: 3 into bracket 5 plus 2 bracket. In the preceding code snippet, the result of the expression will be changed to 21 as first 2 will be added to 5 and then result will be multiplied by 3. In this case, the precedence of parenthesis is higher than the precedence of operator.